Hey, what's going on YouTube? This is your boy Stacy with Sandtrans LLC, where we driving for financial freedom. Now I'm back with another hot shot video for you. And what you guys looking at now is Big Birtha. That's right, Big Birtha is back in full effect. She is repaired. For all that have been following me over the course of this year, you know, she went down around April, and she's been down since then. Been in about 4 or 5 repair shops, but she's up and running now. This is my first test drive on her, and the problem was, original problem was, if y'all don't remember, the truck itself was stuck in the limp mode. So on the dash right here, when you put it in drive, it went into basically it was stuck in 4th gear. And I took it to a shop over in Salt Lake City, and first shop said it was a wire harness. Wanted a second opinion on it. Second shop said it was the computer. And make a long story short, when they picked it up, I swapped the computer out myself. It was the same thing. Took it to another Dodge dealership. They said they wouldn't work on it. Took it to another shop. They said it was a transmission. Took it to another shop, and they said it was the wiring harness. So they replaced the wiring harness for me. I'm gonna show you how difficult it was. But you look back in the back, if you look at this cable back here, all the way in the back, that's a brand new cable. That's part of the wire harness right there that came in. Then all the way down right there to the left of that yellow valve for the fuel filter. See that that corrugated plastic right there, that left piece? That's the wire harness that goes to the computer. And then up under the truck, they replaced the wire harness. So it was all this that one wire harness that had it stuck in 4th gear. So they replaced it. Truck down. You fire it up now. Oops, finger in the way. Firing it up now. It's 206,000 miles on here. The transmission is brand new. It still has warranty on it. Put it in drive. She's good to go. So finally, it is done. It's back on the road. It's probably going to take me roughly about 3 weeks to maybe even longer than that, about a month, because I took my portrait tags off, put those on my other truck, and my IFTA is still good. Got to get the commercial insurance on it. Once I get the commercial insurance, we already got a driver in place. We're gonna lease a trailer for the meantime until we get our other trailer in, and we're gonna test it out. So she'll be back on the road. I'm gonna do a price list on it too, show you guys, kind of break down on what it costs and all that good stuff. But make a long story short, she is back in full effect. Man, thanks to all the subscribers who told me never to give up. To keep pushing, my man who was praying for me, and then all the guys who said I should throw it in the trash and get another one. Hey, I was on that. I was real close. I ain't gonna lie. If this one didn't pan out, man, I was gonna come up with a different plan. But shout out to Stonecrest Dodge. They fixed it. So it gave me a 2-year warranty on it. So we're gonna see what happened. 206,000 miles. If I can get 100,000 miles, you know, with no problems out of it, you know, it'll be a good day. So my next portion of the video, I'm gonna talk about, you know, the pricing on what it cost me and so on and so forth. Okay guys, now we get down to the dollars and cents on what this repair cost me. So, like I said, when I took it in, it was stuck in 4th gear, and the wiring harness Part number 6823786-9AC. The wiring harness for the transmission. It was looks like $570 for the part, which is about right because when I looked it up online, it was actually around $600 and something for the wiring harness. So that I can't complain about. Nor I can complain about the labor. I could, but it's not going to do any good. Labor total was $1,705 in labor. So from what I understand and what I saw, they had to, I saw where one guy, he takes the whole chassis up off the bed. I don't think they did this in this case, but shop supplies was $65, taxes was $50.80, which I'll probably get that back because I do have a tax ID number. So I would definitely go back and get the $50.80 because if you watch my video talking about just say no, if you have your sales tax number as a carrier, you are not required to pay taxes on your parts and repairs. So make a long story short, total was $2,091.00. The parts come with a 2-year warranty, unlimited miles, and I paid for this repair with my American Express card, which is under Sandtrans, and it's a new card from American Express that I just got under the business. And with this card, once you spend up to $5,000, they give you 75,000 reward points. So, I get paid to use the card, and also I'm able to build my business credit. If you're interested in building your business credit, check out some of my previous videos where I talk about building business credit in the trucking industry. It's working, it's working. I've used it today to get the truck out, and I've used the card already, so it works good. And the other one that I got from Bank of America, it actually paid for the transmission. So build yourself some credit. But anyway, watch the journey. Big Birtha is back on the road. Tomorrow we're getting the rear brakes done. We're installing the fuel tank. We're getting the oil changed. We're replacing the rotors on the rear. And I think that's about it for now. Get it washed up and get my tags and everything, and then we'll be trucking. So y'all guys stay tuned to what we're doing over here at Sandtrans. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. Stacy with Sandtrans LLC, where we what? Freedom. All right. And we're out. Have a good one.